doing. But y'all, this is 2 months old right here. Their birthday was November the 6th. Today is the 9th, I believe. January the 9th. So they're a couple of days over. A few days over their 2 months birthday. Quit! Get off me if y'all are gonna fight. Jeez Louise. Y'all, I'm telling you, it's fight night every day. That's enough. Rocky, dad away. Dad away, Rocky. Go play over there. You're not gonna do all that biting on me. And Bella's over there just being a weirdo. Bella. Oh, goodness, look at that cute face.